Okay, let's go ahead and reconcile our accounts for the month of December. First, we have our credit card. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, make sure that it's selected. Alright, ending balance. Okay, ending debt. Okay, what do we have? Do we have finance charges? Yes, we do. Let's go ahead and book those. Alright, 3486 interest. So again, once we move forward in complete reconciliation, right, this amount will be booked. We need to know what is that we're booking. So one of the things we can see is that our expenses for interest, right, interest and finance charges will go up. Expenses go up when debited. And this amount, right, will be added to our credit card balance. Therefore, our credit card balance will go up. Being a liability, it goes up when it is credited. Okay, debits and credits are in balance. This amount, even though we enter it once, it is both a debit and a credit, right? It is a debit to account 61,700, and it is a credit to account 21,100. Okay, let's start reconciliation. Okay, so what do we have? We have 3486 right here, so we can click that off. Okay, we have this, all right, this is good to go. 74, excellent, excellent. All right, no surprises here. All right, what else? And we have our payment. All right, we're at 0. This was an easy one, right? So finish now. Done. All right, we're just going to go to our summary. Credit card. Okay, here it is, right? Our December, even though the date is off, right? We're doing simulation at a different date than the date of the simulation, but that's okay. Anyway, let's double check. Everything is there. Our finance charge is right here. Our payment is right here. Our transactions right here. All good. Register balance. All good, right? We would print it, attach it to this statement, and we're good to go. Now we can go ahead and reconcile our bank account, right? So again, same thing. Okay. So what's our ending balance? Here it is, ending date. Good. What do we have here? Do we have, yes, we have monthly service fee of $25. So let's enter that one. All right. So again, once we proceed in complete reconciliation, this $25 will be booked, and we have to understand how we book it, right? What's being impacted. So we know one thing for sure, that, you know, bank service charge right here, this expense will go up. Expenses go up when debited. What else is happening? Well, they'll take that money out of our bank account, so our bank account balance will be reduced by $25. Bank account is an asset. Assets are reduced when credited. So here we are. This amount right here, right? It's a debit to account 61,600, right? And it is a credit to account 11,100. So let's go ahead and start our reconciliation. Okay, so let's see. We have our 3,000 right here. We have our payment right here. Let's see. We have our 350 right here. We have our 2.5 right here. Let's see, the $25 charge is already clicked, so we can check that one off. All right. This. Okay. And we have this check. Okay, so far so good. Alright, now let's gotta book our sales. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Alright, another sale. Alright. And we're off by $219.72, right? Let's see, what are we missing? And we're missing the merchant account fees. We gotta post those, right? Because we only found out about those once we get the statement. So let's go ahead and book those. Very easy. Journal entries, right? We're well familiar with that. 1228, excellent. Merge fee. All right, what do we know? We know our bank account balance is reduced, therefore it has to be credited. And what else do we know? Well, our expenses on merchant fees, merchant account fees, right? That's the money bank charges us to process credit card payments from our customers, and that's how much they took away. Right, our expenses go up, so 61,500 goes up when debited, and our bank account balance is reduced when it is credited. So here we are, just to solidify. Here it is, right? So one extra zero right now, we'll take it out. Right, so bank account balance is reduced, therefore it is credited, and our expense account, right, expenses on merchant account fee go up, therefore it is debited. Good to go. And here it is, right? It's showing up right here. Let me just clear this. Showing up right here, so we can again mark this one off, mark this one off, and we're at 0, right? That's what we want. Finish it. View reconciliation report. We would print it, right? Double check everything. And here's our $25. Ending balance is correct. That's the deposits, all good, right? Everything adds up. There's our deposits right here. They're actually summed up right here. We can double check. These are all the draws that hit the account. They're all right here, except for 25. We would print it, attach it to our bank statement. All right, we're good to go. That completes reconciliation of December.